Hi, welcome once again. In this episode, we're going to spend some time at the Amstelpark and so much more. Have a drink, have a snack, and let's get on the road. Guys, I had to stop by the Ritual store and I discovered that they had a new dream collection. It's a luxurious range inspired by the power of nighttime rituals, crafted to help you unwind, relax, and drift into deep and restorative rest. I needed some pampering, some me time, so I decided to do my hair at a hairdresser that I saw on TikTok. I have natural afro hair, but from time to time I like to switch up about 5 times in a year, and I was in the mood to do that. So that's how I found my way to this talented hairdresser. They are called My Hair Amsterdam, and I went for a silk press treatment and the washing of my hair was included in this appointment. There's also a beauty bar at the location for manis and pedis. After that, I went for Surinamese lunch. So guys, let me show you around the southern part of Amsterdam. So I'm walking to the Action to get a candle, and I have a little question for you guys. Would you like me to vlog in Dutch or English or a combination of both? Please write it down in the comment section. I'm eager to hear some of your feedback. I'm going to rush to Action to get some creative stuff for an older aunt of mine. She's 80 years old, very nice lady, and I'm going to send some sweets for her all the way to Suriname. Easter is just around the corner, so the Albert Heijn has a lot of different snacks. Let me show you some. Have you ever tasted one of the Albert Heijn Easter snacks? Which one of them is your favorite? Mine is the sticky bun. Oh, it's so delicious. I think they put a slight bit of rum, sugar, and the dough is like from a croissant. It's just unforgettable. Just go to the Albert Heijn, get it. I know I'm plugging it. They're not paying me for it, but hey, I'm so in this. But hey, this bun is unforgettable. I was walking through the neighborhood and I saw a big truck with some animals on it. And then this lady talked to me and she said, well, hi, I'm such and such. I'm a committee member of the neighborhood. And in a couple of minutes, in a half an hour, we will have like a kiddie farm. So you're invited. And I said, oh, what a lovely idea to take my child to. So this event is part of 24 hours I'm not going to call the neighborhood, but anyways, in Amsterdam, you have different neighborhoods, and that each neighborhood has their 24-hour events. It's a chance for people from other parts of Amsterdam, for tourists to get to know the specific neighborhoods of Amsterdam. A lot. There's so much events you can do: theater, cooking, aerobics, museums. It goes on and on. So if you want to know about these 24-hour events, just check out the website of the municipality of Amsterdam. So guys, I'm walking towards Amstelpark. I haven't been to this park in about 20 or more years. I'm going to show you around. So when was the last time, if you're living in the Netherlands, you went to Amstelpark? An acquaintance of mine told me that there's like a playground for children, that there's an animal farm, trains, so enough to do for children. So that is the main reason why I'm walking towards this park right now.
Are you looking for a little escape from the busy streets of Amsterdam? Welcome to Amstelpark, one of the city's best kept secrets, and the perfect place to relax, explore, and enjoy the outdoors. Located just south of the city center, Amstelpark was originally built for the 1972 International Floriade exhibition, but it was just too beautiful to take down. The park has colorful rose gardens, a peaceful Japanese garden, and a breathtaking rhododendron valley that explodes into bloom in the spring. If you're traveling with family, the little ones will love the mini golf course, the playgrounds, and best of all, the Amstel train, a cheerful mini train that winds its way through the park. Feeling a little adventurous, explore hidden paths, discover sculptures scattered throughout the park, or visit the Glass House Gallery, where art and nature come together in unique exhibitions. And if you just want to chill, there are plenty of cozy spots to sit by the pond, listen to the birds, and soak up the peaceful atmosphere with the Amstel River flowing gentle nearby.
So now we're entering a maze.
So I cruised through the maze real quick and explored the rest of the park. They have a lot of devices for the little ones. Thomas the Train, there's a pond, and as mentioned earlier, there's also an animal farm.
1 week later.
This is one of the neighborhoods in Amsterdam. During the Kingsday activities on that same day, there was a Usher concert. I ended the day with a bang by attending. I'll clip in some images from his concert. It was a chef's kiss. It was all that and more.